sad day for us, as we're having to sell our boats. Unfortunately, my health has gotten to the point where I can no longer go out in kayaks, and we never really ever got to use them much at all, hardly. So we're gonna put them up for sale to somebody that will hopefully love it. It includes both kayaks and the trailer and all the gear that comes with it. There's 2 trolling motors. I don't have the other one here with me because it's got a broken transom mount on it, but the motor and everything works just fine. It's an older one, it's a Motorcraft. I got a brand new Minn Kota C3, and it's brand new. It's only been used twice. I got that one deep cycle 12-volt marine battery that'll come with it. And then I'm going to show you the boats right now in the trailer. And the trailer is titled. I have the title for it. The boats, my boat is registered for motor, and it's up to date. So we've got everything that comes with the boats. There's a lot of gear that we have invested in this. We have a lot of money invested in this. We're going to sell them for $4,500. The whole kit and caboodle. So let me get to it. I'll show you what we're selling, and then if you're interested, I'll tell you how to contact us. Okay? All right, this first one is a 2016 New Canoe Pursuit. It's got a lot of gear. I've got a drag chain for it. It comes with the New Canoe anchor trolley that I never got to install. It's got a paddle clip because, to be honest with you, I'd prefer to mount the paddle on the side. It's got a zigzag cleat, brand new, never out of the package. I still have the repair piece, and I've got the upgrade kit that comes from New Canoe also. It comes with the stand assist bar, the slide mount with the bow winkle and the roto power grip. It's got the New Canoe paddle, hog trough, my camelback, which has completely been cleaned out and sterilized. It's got this little box and some replacement numbers. Of course, you got your chair, and it comes with a Chinook vest, fishing vest. As you can tell, it's practically brand new to you. It comes with the tiller rod for the trolling motor, black pack, and a low profile anchor wizard. Sorry, they're not exactly clean. They've been in storage. The boats have been kept under the carport and on the trailer. Now the trailer has been painted. I've replaced all the lights. All the boards are brand new. All the carpet is brand new. The trailer is titled. And then we've got her boat, which is a Wilderness Attack 140. It's got a roto grip paddle holder and fishing rod holders. This Lowrance just needs a transducer. I had it tested. It works just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It just needs a transducer. Got a claw anchor, and she never wore her vest, so we just bought her a cheap one that comes with the boat. She's got her black pack, a Yak Attack stakeout pole, and a Bending Branches Angler Scout paddle. And it comes with another Anchor Wizard low profile. It also has the rudder kit installed on it. And as you can see, everything's in good shape. There's absolutely nothing wrong with anything on these boats. We also have another fiberglass Lampro boat that's for sale for $150 if you're interested. But there's actually a couple more items. Like, I don't have the battery out here because I didn't want to have to lift it. But as you can tell, it's worth the money. Like I said, new lights, new wiring. All wiring's been replaced. It's all brand new. The plug on the trailer is the 4-prong because that's what my hitch has. But you can always change that out. So, as you can see, works great. Okay, so with the battery, I have a battery charger that's going to come with it. So that'll go with it. There's a lot of money tied up in it. Like I said, this is $4,500. Okay, for the whole gear. The Camelback, everything that you see comes with it. And there might be a couple little items that I forgot to put on here that might come with it too. So if you're interested, you can reach us in the description below the video. Okay, all right, thank you and God bless. GoPro, stop recording.